Welcome back. After seeing this decoration, you would have really guessed today I am not going to talk about rules and regulation, German tax, investment, nothing. This video is full of celebration. Today is the most special video and also my first video log. Today is my son's birthday, May 28, 2020. This most importantly, it's a quarantine birthday, no visitors are allowed, and there is a special priority for our Vanakkam Germany viewers and also subscribers. You are most welcome. Come, let's enjoy this video. Let's get started.
It's very normal. Indians give return gifts to the guest on special occasion. It's maybe a Diwali or a marriage function, whatsoever it is. Wherever we live, we still follow our traditions. So we plan to give dresses for all the kids before in hand, so that on the day of his birthday, everyone would wear this dress and come, and it would look like a pre-marriage event. When all the kids stand together, it would look good, and it also look different when you see the pictures after few years, right? So we took him in a garden and took photos with the return gifts which you could see. For all the guys, we bought white polo t-shirt, and for us and green polo shirt. For girls under 2 years, we bought 3-piece set, and for the bigger girls, we bought a colorful frock and also some dresses for the newborns. After buying the gifts only, we came to know that we have too many girl kids in our friend circle. That was our plan for that day. We don't want to change the plans due to corona, so we executed in a different way. So next task is to pack and distribute the gifts to every kid. Packing was a very fun task for us, and he was enjoying together while shooting videos. He himself wanted to pack all the gifts for his friends, and you could see all this stuffs what he is playing and enjoying during packing sessions. So then we wanted to hand over the gifts to everyone in person, but due to corona, we planned to put it in their post box and send the message to them. Tishandar wanted to distribute the gifts on his own, and he went on his own, put it in each post box. I want to put like that. Later we requested everyone to take a pic with the dress and send it to us. Since we don't want to publish other kids' pictures in public forum due to data and shoots, you all know which is we normally follow in Germany. So we collected all those pics, and we are preparing a small photo book like an album for our own memory. Also, a special thanks for all the parents for making it happen. The photo book will be a best memory for the kids at any point of time. We plan to bake a cake for his birthday on our own, as no guests are being invited. Even it is not good, we plan to eat for ourselves. But we also wanted to make sure that we can also make a good cake. For our practice, we started baking cake, and luckily it came out very good. We immediately planned to make a cake smash photo. So me and my husband decorated the living room as fast as possible, and we made him to walk inside the room with a surprise. But he was not eager to look into the cake. Rather, he wanted to play with the bowling pins. After a while, he saw the cake and started to play with the cake and eating it all alone. We also wanted to make a casual pre-birthday photo shoot, and luckily weather was good on that day, and we went to the nearest park and he started playing around. And we could not make him to take a proper clip, and my husband had to lie down and try to capture some best shots. I must accept my husband is not a best photographer, but he still tries to capture some best moments. We tried to shoot a best clips and photos, and we could not control him, started to shoot the naughtiness and his happy moments, and we also almost lost our energy while running behind him. Finally, we were able to get a few clips. Regarding gifts, we were unsure what gifts to buy for his age. Normally he likes to do only cooking because he always stay with me in the kitchen while cooking, and he loves to do the same whatever I do. And We plan to look into the what other possible options available in the shop. After checking the different available gifts in the shop and after seeing the Spiel house, he wants to go inside and play at any cost. He decided for himself that he wanted them at any cost. He didn't leave that place after seeing that. Finally, we had no choice buying other than that. Although we don't have a garden at our house, this was the cheapest house which we can afford in Germany. So was enjoying setting up the houses. Later we went to purchase cake stuffs which we planned to bake on his birthday, and he himself chose few of the cake products which we are planning to the baker. He loves taking stuffs and placing it in trolley. Parallelly, we were the ones who were doing the real shopping, and he had his own trolley walking around and placing the stuffs.
Listen, come, Maida.
We planned to prepare the cake one day before his birthday because if something is not coming good, but we planned to do it one more time on his birthday. This baking was one of the biggest hurdle task for us as we were very new and learning steps how to bake them. I was practicing to bake multiple times. One time the buttercream frosting was not coming properly, other time the dough was hot, and many other small things. From our mistake, we learned things, and also I have made a small video how to bake a birthday cake in less price and also in easier way. I will release it sometime soon. There was no exception. As I told earlier, Tishantan loves cooking. So he was thinking himself, he was helping us and he didn't let us sometime to cook peacefully. And he was playing around it, and it took 7 hours for us to finish baking the cakes. I must say, since we were also shooting the video while baking, it took longer. If not, it must be done little earlier. Experts doesn't take it longer than 4 hours to bake such cakes. We made rainbow cake and also a normal base with construction. Finally, on his birthday, he woke up and acted like a good boy, finishing praying to God and started eating sweets for himself, and also he served prasadam to us. His grandparents sent birthday wishes 1 week earlier, and he was watching that video.
Happy birthday to Tishantan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We had some video calls with his grandparents and our relatives and our friends in Germany. Finally, he was in some good mood to cut the cake, and it went all very smooth. I was worried if he would smash the cake before cutting the cake. But he was just playing around and nothing happened to the cake.
Birthday to you. Hi.
He was also so eager to taste the cake, which you could see it. Give me the cake. I was also very happy since the cake was tasting good. I must admit it was really soft enough and tastier. Special thanks to my husband and also the helper Tishantan who helped me to bake the cake.
This is a cake which I baked, but I'm not an expert in baking. I tried many times for my son's birthday, and from this, at every time from mistakes, I learned many things. So I will also share you some tips and tricks. I also made a separate video how I baked this cake. You can also watch it and you can also try it in your home, and you will also make a very spongy and soft cake.
బ్లడ్ రావాలన్నట్టు తీసుకో మనం.
నచ్చిందా? కొన్ని మూవీస్ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తావు.
ముద్దు పెట్టమని పోయి.
Finally, we did our celebrations. Do like and share the Vanakkam Germany and subscribe this channel. I will catch you in next interesting video. Until bye bye from Vanakkam Germany.